Welcome to ASPE, AI-supported programming for everyone. In 2030, artificial intelligence will be able to produce more lines of code than all the human programmers combined. At ASPE, we see this as an opportunity to expand human potential. Our goal is to create a symbiotic partnership between humans and AI in app development and programming. With ASPE, you can create your own apps with minimal programming experience while using the most advanced AI tools available. Use AI language models to generate your app at the blink of an eye, and you can customize it to match every single bit of your needs. And with the support of AI, ASPE guarantees you will finish your own app within 20 lectures. That's 4 months. With ASPE, you'll learn to create innovative and useful apps that will solve our daily problems and shape the future of technology. If you want to be part of the AI revolution that will guide humanity to a better future, join ASPE today.